everyone, welcome to our video on the festival of Lohri.
Hi, I Krishna
And I'm Pavni.
are really excited to share this with you today. I bet that many of you have heard of Lohri. So what Lohri is all about?
That's a great question. Let's dive into it. So first thing first, what exactly is Lohri?
Lohri is a popular festival, primarily celebrated in Punjab and in some parts of Pakistan. It marks the end of the winter and arrival of the new season of harvest, especially for the rabi crops like wheat and sugarcane.
Right, it's the festival that celebrates warmth of the sun and new harvest. Lohri is usually celebrated on 13 January every year. But can you tell me why Lohri is such an important festival in Punjab?
Well, Lohri is not just about harvest. It's a time when people come together to celebrate the season, to enjoy the fruit of their labor. And traditionally, Lohri is considered a festival to celebrate the winter solstice, symbolizing the victory of light over darkness.
That's so beautiful. So, it's more than a harvest festival. It also represents hope and worthy of the upcoming festivals. So, and one of the things about Lohri, one of the most excited thing is that the bonfire. Have you ever seen by the way?
Yes, I have. Bonfire is an important part of Lohri celebration. People gather around it, sing their traditional songs, and it symbolizes the burning of the bad things and welcoming the prosperity.
Exactly. People throw sesame seeds and popcorn in the fire as the way of offering gratitude. It's a wonderful thing to bond with family and friends. Speaking of dancing, do you know why Bhangra is closely associated with Lohri?
Bhangra is an energetic form of dance, originated from Punjab. This dance is full of joy, with vibrant and colorful attire. It is such a lovely part of the celebration.
It really is. The energy in the air during Lohri is incredible. And what about the food? I have heard that the treats served during Lohri are so special. Can you tell us more about that?
Of course, during Lohri, people enjoy to eat the sweets, which is made from the sesame seeds and with the sugar. And in some regions, people make a special dish called gachak, which is made from the sesame seed and sugar.
Sounds so delicious. I can almost taste the sweetness of the treat. Another interesting thing about Lohri is that it celebrates the new beginning, especially for the newlyweds or the couple who have recently had a baby. Can you tell us how Lohri is celebrated by them?
Yes, for newlyweds, it is considered a way of blessing them with prosperity and happiness. The families, those who have had a baby in the year, celebrate their child's first Lohri with the blessings and with a special prayer.
That's so sweet. I love how Lohri is all about family, togetherness and celebrating life's blessing. But before we wrap up, can you tell me how people in other parts of India celebrate Lohri aside Punjab?
Although Lohri is mainly celebrated in Punjab, it is observed in some parts of the India like Himachal, Haryana and in Uttar Pradesh. In fact, in some areas it is celebrated slightly in a different way. For example, in Haryana, people perform the rituals and a special prayer for their good crop.
It's fascinating how Lohri brings people together from different regions and similar values of family, hope and gratitude. So, to sum it all up, Lohri is a festival that marks the end of the winter, arrival of harvest and celebrates new beginning and togetherness.
I hope this video gave you a better understanding of this Lohri festival. This festival is full of joy and vibrant colors.
Yes, we all encourage you to celebrate it with your loved ones. Happy
Happy Lohri to everyone watching.